Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Sienna remote. Programming your keyless entry remote can save you a significant amount of money compared to dealership costs. This guide will walk you through the steps to successfully program your remote, ensuring you have full control over your vehicle's locking system. Remember to gather all remotes you wish to program before beginning, as they must all be programmed in one session. Before we begin programming, let's ensure everything is set up correctly. First, make sure your driver's door is open and unlocked, while all other doors are securely closed. The ignition key should be completely out of the ignition cylinder. Have all your keyless entry remotes, including any existing ones, ready to go. It's crucial to perform each sequence of steps within 40 seconds to avoid timing out. Now let's get your Sienna into programming mode. First, insert and remove the key from the ignition twice within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. Then, insert and remove the key from the ignition once. Follow this by closing and opening the driver's door 2 more times. Finally, insert the key into the ignition, close the driver's door, turn the ignition to the on position, then immediately back to OFF and remove the key. The power door locks should cycle, indicating successful entry into programming mode. With your vehicle in programming mode, take your remote. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds. Immediately after releasing them, press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once, confirming the remote is programmed. Repeat this exact sequence for any other remotes you have. Once all remotes are programmed, simply open the driver's door to exit programming mode. Finally, test each remote to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.